Hi everyone. If you journeyed together with me until this very last video, I hope you have had as much fun discovering the joys of building as I had when I was discovering coding for myself about 10 years ago. Back then, you really needed to hit the books and read a lot before you could create anything workable. But now, guys, you all are lucky, man. As a recap, I want to go through with you all what we learned. But rather than focus on the technical skills, I want to remind you of all the soft business and digital concepts you have learned through all these hands-on exercises in the 5 different classes. In class 1, we learned about how a product manager thinks when he creates a product with his engineers. You learn the art of breaking down problems, big ones, into small and solvable enough user stories. And you also learn that user stories are a great format to communicate with LLMs. Good job, you guys. In class 2, we learned about the principles of digital communication and marketing. In the software world, we use landing page and navigation bars, which is an important thing we need to keep in mind when we design applications for the citizens that we serve in public service. In class 3, we learned new methods to communicate with LLMs. And really, it's not that far off from how you would communicate with your team. You do so by drafting a broad business plan called a PRD, and then you ask your team clarifying questions rather than dictating what they should be doing all the time. In class 4, we learned about how software engineers think, and we learned about APIs. In government work, a lot of digital capabilities are actually APIs. Things like payment, login, authentication, and even LLMs. They are all APIs. In class 5, we learned about different kinds of tools that you can use on top of Lovable. So don't limit your interaction with just one tool. Think outside the box. Think about some of the more advanced tools that you might just want to pick up so that you can build more advanced features and specific features by yourself. And to the uninitiated, everything out there looks the same, but really, they all specialize in different levels of the same task. That's a principle and skill we have to flex in the new creator economy we're in. I hope you found this class meaningful, and I hope you'll really build some cool ideas out there into real software. Don't be afraid to put your work out there, and who knows, maybe we'll see new entrepreneurs in the public service soon. See you around, government folks.